Hi darlings and catch-a-lots, and welcome to my channel Me and Places. It's Paulina here. I am in a forest. Such an obvious thing, as you can see, especially for Finland. Today is a beautiful sunny Sunday, and we walk at 6 o'clock with my friend to go to Nuuksio. Nuuksio is a national park which is the closest national park to Helsinki. That is why it gets really crowded, especially on weekends, especially in summer, especially in this weather. So 6 o'clock morning wake up on Sunday. Yay! To get to Nuuksio you need to catch a train going to Espoo, stop at Espoo station and take a bus 245A. At least that's the one I took. We are taking. We didn't take it yet. And yeah, that's how you get there. It was a good idea to wake up early because the place where we are going is the only place where you can actually get by public transport with the hiking trails around it. So that's also one of the reasons why it gets so crowded. Ooh, berries! This is like the best time to hike anywhere because there are berries everywhere. Oh, there is another berry. There is raspberry, and there are also, what are these in English? Like a forest strawberry. I'm sure there is a better name for this. Let's go! We stopped at Haukkalampi, and there opposite to the bus stop you will see the sign leading to Haukkalampi. This trail takes you to the lake where the most trails start. You will walk wide accessible roads, you will see forest, you will see some fields. Just follow the signs to Haukkalampi all the way until you'll find this parking place. After here it's just few steps. So here at Haukkalampi you can find a toilet right there behind me, and there is also a cafe which is closed by now. There are some tables for a picnic, and you can rent boats here and soups. Soup. You can rent soup. And there is also a cabin that you can rent. There is sauna there and big tables for some celebrations. And it's right on the lake shore. There is also info point here in cafe with maps, but as I said, it's closed by now. And there is also a water spot where you can get some water. Sauna. So from here, from Haukkalampi, we are going to Haltia. You can see the mark. It's 4 kilometers, it's not much. But I think it's considered the hardest trail because there is a lot of up and downs on the road. And first there is a red mark on the trees, and later we will need to change for a brown one. It's beautiful weather. We chose the best time to visit because of blueberry snack time. Guys, we found a cabin in the woods. It's like in some scary movie. Anybody home?
Anybody home?
What is there? Whoa, that's such a mess. Look at that, there is some kind of invasive alien species treated with a pesticide. Don't remove plastic cover, tada! And there is another one there. Ooh, this is a scary place, like in X-Files. Aliens have been there, here.
The aliens are home.
Truth is somewhere near. One and 9 kilometers left. Yay! Itsy bitsy spider climbed up on the net. Da 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 da. We are finally in Haltia and we came here to eat. Yay! Oh, there's Bella. How is Bella in English? Owl. An owl. There's a small gallery here on the way to the restaurant. You can see different pictures. Oh, there's a spider. Itsy bitsy spider climbed upon the net.
Oh, here you can see the other way around. When, when the baby is feeding his mom.
Oh, the baby just got his food and mom is like, give it to me! Oh, so beautiful. Snakes. Oh, many snakes, mucho snake. So in Haltia restaurant you can grab a bite or a whole lunch as we did. That consists of a salad buffet where you can take as much salad as you want and a dish of your choice from the menu list. Also a coffee or tea and some small dessert. But the food is not the reason to visit. The best thing about this place is the terrace. Ta-da! You can see there is a traditional kota and you can actually go there. So that is a terrace where we ate, and now we're walking this path, or I mean these stairs, down to the place where you can see kota. There you can grill. You can ask for wood in the reception, in the info point of Haltia. By the way, in Haltia Center there is also a museum. I was there last time and it wasn't that interesting, so I don't want to go there. So we're just gonna walk around. There is some kind of photo gallery here with the animal photos. Let's go into Kota. It's so spacious, you can grill here. Cut wood. So there is another bus stop near Haltia. It's right there. Ta-da, there. And that's the one we're gonna use to get back. So guys, it's quite windy. I don't know if you can hear me. Anyway, it's time to go back home. And I can tell you my thoughts on the dinner we had. It was a bit disappointing. Haltia Center was closed for a few months because of the virus. And maybe because of that, they don't have such a big amount of different varieties of food. So before it was much more rich and it costed the same amount. So now there is less food and it's not as good as it was before. And you still pay same amount of money. What else? My thoughts on the trail that we took. It's first time I walked this trail. I don't understand why it's called so difficult, because honestly it's not that challenging. But I think if you will go the other way, like if you will go from Haltia to Haukkalampi, it will be challenging because all the stairs that we took down, you would have to go up. In any case, it was a good morning hike, and I like the diversity of the trail because we walked swamps, we walked hills, we walked rocks, we walked forest trails, asphalt roads. It was very diverse and I really like trails like that. So yeah, all in all, it's a good hike with good ending point where we had a coffee. By the way, the coffee wasn't good either, unfortunately. Thanks for watching. Stay curious. Bye.